Alrighty. I need to change the hotkeys. Scene switch. Does FNQ do anything? No. Okay. No. 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 This is unfortunate. Alt up. Alt right. Alt left. That is a big difference. Frick, dude. That, yeah, okay. Oh, never mind. Oh, that moves things. Okay, well, TIL. Doesn't matter, no one's here. If you're watching the VOD, welcome. I should just remove hotkeys in general. I'll do that when I get started. Oh, I should cut this. You know what? I'll just edit this and then cut until here. Perfect. Do I have a moment in that case to go get the numpad? My secret weapon. Let's hope the numpad doesn't do anything in VS Code. Cool, it works. We'll do one. No. What the? Aha, num star. That's what it is. Num1. And then testing will be num2. And then Trello will be num3. Apply. Beautiful. 1, 2, 3. Elegant. All right. Okay. God, my desk is filthy. I'm not gonna set out to do too much. This is the board for the week. I think it's a little ambitious. Probably, definitely, is a little ambitious. But the 4 on the right on sprint 4 are the main goals. Everything else, stretch goal for now. Then again, we'll see. I'm gonna do this on my own. It's no fun. All right. Routing in Angular, and then we can switch back to VS Code. Cool. So let's go ahead and boot up TwitLess. progress from last time, see if I can incentivize myself. Awesome. Hey, voila. Okay, so you click the help button, we get this little modal. Would you call it a modal? I don't know. Logging with Twitter, at the moment you should get an alert. Which I don't get? Question mark? There we go. Cool. So we want to click this button and have it go to like /home or something, which redirects to the index, which is good. So we go to app component. That's literally the one I don't want. We have the browser module. Should be reminded about how to freaking implement routing. Is my internet taking a crap right now? Okay. Alright, my internet's just being poop while this streaming, whatever. Alright, so yeah, in the index we have our default app root, which is this component, app root. We're gonna, yeah, we do need to do that. ng, hello, nggc, I guess what I want to do is pages/home. Yes, okay. I was afraid that wasn't going to be an app for a second, but and then GC pages/ our Trello board here. Messages. Because all I need to do, right, is build out small data, set them up so they show small tag or something. This is the routing, right? Messages, pages, active threads. Wait, is this calling it what I wanted to call it? Home, active thread, yeah, that's fine. Pages in the loop. And then we'll just do settings. Cool, cool, cool. In the app.module.ts, this sounds right. We want to make sure we import browser module and app routing module. Brilliant. then we go ahead and we declare a const app routes. And then we have path. Oh, okay. Home. And then component. Home. Hold on. What does this say? Home component. Active threads component. I don't. Sure. Auto import? Oh, they import all of them. Brilliant. Cool. Home component. Great. Is that not? Oh, because this is not an object. It should be an array. List. Nice. Very epic. Alright, we'll do home. Path. Messages component. Messages component. Path. I want to keep this in the order of the nav bar. Active threads component. Active threads component. I don't like how it's not capitalized, but I think it works. Path. Messages. Nope. In the loop. Component. In the loop component. Love it. Hello, Just Me YT. Welcome to a lovely, boring dev stream. Path. Settings. Component. Guess what component? The settings component. Thrilling. Yay. Alright. Yeah. And then when we import browser module, we need to browser module.forRoot. It's app roots. Now, if I remember correctly, we also want to have it so that it's a path of slash brings you to app component, right? I guess we could just figure it out. Let's see. Comma expected. What? Oh, sure. I put it way in the wrong spot. Cool. Do I wanna? Well, let's try this, right? If I try /home, there's something up there. Home component. Home works. Clearly doesn't. Hello, RMJ. Color, white. Yeah, no. I really just should know this at the back of my hand. Look at the official documentation. did it in the wrong. Ah. Okay. I see. I see. So we're gonna yeet this. We're then gonna yeet this. Okay, because it's importing its own thing. Okay, cool. Love that for me. Just import all these then. Stay focused. Yeah, I'm trying. There's the reason I'm streaming though, so let's just go. I don't know why none of these auto imported, but I'm just gonna live with it. Cool. And we've got all of our awesome. We've defined the routes. Oh, that's why. Ah, yes. Good luck. Thank you. I'll do my best not to give up. That's for sure. Add routes did that. Add links to the two components. Send the anchor tag onto that. Okay, yeah, that's how I forward to it. How about this? No. Well, the problem is I think I need to change this, or so I thought. Or so I thought. Ah, yes, you need to change it. Yes. Router outlet, thank you. Or not. Frick. Try and delete that. This is not working. Oh, now the entire app's broken. Okay, let me restart this again. I truly thought this would be easy. That was a mistake. It is easy. I'm just messing something up somewhere, which is just really dumb and annoying. There are two components. We've imported them from their respective pages. App module. We know app components in there. We have browser module. We have app routing module. Love it. Declarations, app component, nice. An app routing module. You import these two things. They're already there. Love it. find my routes pretty much just like they did. Importing dot component, love it. Assign the anchor tag that you want to add the route. App.component. This redirects? No, doesn't do anything. Hello, welcome back. I am suffering. I'm just tired already, and it's just not going well. I need to undo. Take it back. I take it back. Go back. That might help. I'm gonna change this back to app root. Hey, at least I'm learning something. Chances are I deleted something I shouldn't have. Yeah, okay. So we have our lovely little page here, but as soon as I add in the routes, hey, it's back again. Okay. /home brings me there. Okay. What? You know what? We're not gonna talk about it. I'm not gonna talk about it. App component. Let's go ahead and just insert router outlet. And then we should get home works. Great. Let's just change the color though. I love when code does that. It's my favorite. Let's see, path. Just a normal slash. Exact match isn't exact match Angular. Trial and error indeed. Yeah, I know. I'm just pushing myself to do something I wouldn't normally want to do. Angular routing exact match. Path match, thank you. Path match full. Component. App component. Lovely, lovely. Now it's broken. Oh, why does it? It's the weirdest thing to me sometimes. Okay, I do know why this is working. I'm very glad this is how it is right now. Just do /test. Yeah, okay. Brings you back to index. All right, and so instead of app root, we want router outlet. I'm pretty sure. So now if we go here, we're still gonna get the primary component no matter where we go. If we go to So as you can see there, lovely. But then if we go ahead and go to say none, it'll redirect us back. Great. So now we go back to the code. We go ahead and we say, instead of app root, which I technically do want, I think. We want router. However, I'm realizing that maybe, just maybe, we do want app root here. Right. Then our app component, we should ngc login. What do you call this home login page? Oh, I didn't switch branches. Frick. Oh, I didn't commit. We're good. NGGC login page. And I want this in the... Yes, I want this in app. Just now, we're going to go ahead and say Control A, Control X, Control A, Control V. And then we're going to do app-module.ts. Well, that's not that much, actually. App component, sorry. Here, Control X, login page component, Control V, and then the CSS. Pretty sure everything. Yes. Not the homepage container. Everything. Login page. And cool. Slash home still broken. Love this. Routing is just being so weird, dude. App.title. Oh, sure. I don't really need the spec for anything. Okay. Now, if we go to app component, we just have router link or router outlet. Or not, you know, that's fine too. The joys of coding is just, ooh. 3D modeling, that's fun. I need to get back into that as well for my game that I'm theoretically working on. I wrote a design document the other day. I finished the design document and I just need to make the game. Thanks, Cedrix. Yeah, no worries. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate that. I'm just breaking things, so it's fine. Incentive is low, so not incentive, motivation, which is, you know, whatever. I forget what I'm even trying to do. In your app component, right? Define your routes, update them with router outlet. In your app component, you can just do router outlet. Yeah, that's what I thought. Test. Okay, that's cool. Why are there two of them? Oh, because I'm an idiot. Yeah, that makes sense. Oh God. Nice. I mean, that's a good thing at the end of the day. Right? Yeah, it is. It is. Just didn't expect it. Where's this? All right. In theory, navbar stuff goes here. I never paste this in anywhere? Login page component. I didn't. There we go. Cool. The only thing is homepage container and homepage centered container. What happens if I delete these? Yeah, that's what I thought. What happens if I delete this? That's what I thought as well. So let's go ahead and take this here and say, you know what? App component.css. And then we go to login page. Nope. Take away this div here. Because I want this for every single page. So this is good in a way. And then we want app component.css. Cool. That worked surprisingly well. I didn't actually expect that to work. All right, everything's back to normal. Now if we go to /home. Yes, let's go. /settings. Oh, heck yeah, dude. All right, login page, pages. We'll quickly do ng, gc, navbar, utilities, / I don't like utils / navbar. Yeah, I'm not sure on what game I should start off first. I should start again. Yeah, I mean, what I've been trying to come to terms with recently myself is like, don't relearn anything. Just do it. For example, for Angular, which is the programming language / framework I'm using right now, I have watched pretty much an entire Udemy course. I mean, I can show you. I have spent like 40 hours just logged watching this course. And I watched the whole thing through and I didn't do any of the side things. If I did do the side projects, like the assignments that I was given on Udemy, I'm sure Angular would have stuck much better, but I didn't want to make some recipe list site. I wanted to immediately jump into this app as soon as I could. And there's this feeling of, oh, I need to relearn everything. Because as we just saw, I suffered with routing for 30 minutes. I should make sure I don't have a meeting right now. So, I mean, I would honestly just jump into everything. Yeah, so don't, just start with something, take an idea and just make it, or quit halfway through. Then move on to the next thing. The important thing is to just choose something. Don't paralyze yourself with choice, right? Also, I'm like 20 seconds behind or something. Like, I don't... Wow. I did... Okay, it's like a whole minute behind. I'm not going to complain about it. Okay, so the thing let's take a look. Yeah, it doesn't have to be some content. Okay, navigate to home. Okay, so let's just get this checked off, right? Setting up routing. Oh right, I made the navbar for a reason. So utils navbar component.html. So if we go to app component, right here, I'm going to go ahead and say app navbar. App navbar. Which hopefully doesn't break anything. Cool. Now if we go to app navbar. Okay, exit all these tabs. HTML. I want to go ahead and say div class equals navbar wrapper. Can I display this in isolation? It's all the way at the top left. Okay, well. I don't need any external styles at the moment. What happens if I remove this? Does this play a role? It does. Okay, I need to... Cool. We're just going to create a UL. And then li ah router link equals home. Oh, incredible. Okay, cool. So we have home. Where's the routing component? Messages. Active threads. In the loop. Settings. Yeah, cool. We're just gonna, before I forget, no entry. I'm gonna just call it a 3 for now. All right. Now that that's working, if we go to TwitLess, we have top left here, can't be seen, that's awkward. Style, color, white, content, align, or align content. Center. No, frick. I just, margin auto. No, frick. Margin left 50%. Cool. That's fine, right? That'll do. Home, messages, active threads, get in the loop, settings, li a router link, nonsense, page not found, test. Left click this. Oh, yeah. Cool. I'll add one to login as well. Okay, I don't have a meeting. Good. I mean, it'll be temp, so. And then we'll do. And that's just nothing. Cool. That will work for now. Actually, you know what? Let's just float it left. Because that way it doesn't... Oh, it changed the image. Bruh. Actually, you know what? Because I'm in incognito, it doesn't matter if I show the whole thing. I thought floating it left would be okay. I should know not to just assume float works as I wanted to. Yeah, huh. Because that makes it even worse then. So, oh, wait a minute. Fixed. There we go. That's what I wanted. Do I have any tips to quit tutorial hell? Yeah, get started. I mean, I'm curious what you mean by tutorial hell. I feel like there's multiple meanings to that. But I think, you know, for the app that I'm making now, this is the first time I'm making an Angular app. And also I'm a few minutes behind, so I apologize. But, you know, I still don't know anything about Angular. However, how I see courses and tutorials is I know that things exist. So I knew that app routing existed, so I can go ahead on Google and how to set up Angular app routing. And then, you know, these things appear. I know that if I want to show multiple elements on a page, I know that's ng4. I don't remember how to use it. ng4 Angular. And then, oh, hey, there's a bunch of articles about it. So, you know, for Unreal Engine, I know that ponds exist and blueprints exist. How to attach spring arm component to avatar Unreal Engine. So that as you make a project, you can kind of bring these things that you learned in tutorials. I mean, yeah, on RMJ's comment, consistency is key. But like, tutorials can get comfortable. So you really gotta just dive in, and you'll be surprised at how much you remember and how much you know, I think. Like when I jumped into this, I had this little button here, right? And I remembered how to do that without looking things up, and that kind of surprised me. Anyhow, home. Okay, it is floated. That's perfectly fine. This is exactly what I want. What's dangerous is that it comes down here. Oh, you know what I can do? Easy clap. Okay, not as easy clap as I thought. Whatever. But yeah, one thing you can do that comes to mind is when you do one tutorial, do one thing on something you want. When you start your own project, you don't have to stick with it. You know, maybe I'll get through this and think I'm just going to do this in React, another framework. So we'll see. I really don't want to. I am forcing myself to finish this in Angular, but look at that. We got some routing working. How exciting is this, dude? Okay. Do I want... If we take login page app component.css. Right, so if I go to log... Let's take the container out. Oh, let's go back to code, shall we? Does this... Okay. Oh, never mind, because I need to move the... Well, yeah, that, but... Hold back the river. But yeah, I mean, this is the second day I'm doing this project specifically. And I'm sat here like... God, I so badly want to go back to a tutorial. But I want to make this app, so... Cool. Home? Lovely. Okay. That's much more content for me. Love that a lot more. Let's go to the home component. Right now I'm doing some useless things. But hey, I'm doing it. Well, not useless things, but... Alright. Love this for me. Oh, you can attach labels with... Look at that. What? I don't like that. I didn't want that. Anyway. I don't want to bother with this. I mean, I have... Yeah, I'm not going to bother with this. Well, not on this task, at least. Okay. Sign in for the... One login button clicked. Two form pop-up for beta code has a submit button. When successful, forward them or whatever. Save. But for now, we go into log page. How do I forward someone away? I think I can effectively just without using an A tag. There's a... I don't like that method. There's a way to do this. You can edit the URL directly. Alright, this site is suspicious as hell. I don't want to... I don't want to make an account to read your article. Reroute user in Angular in component TS file. Yeah, again, I'm far behind, so I apologize for such a delayed response. Let me just check how far behind I am. Oh, okay. Well, according to me, it's not that far behind. Do I want to read? Yeah, we want to do the auth guard, but that's another time. Ah, this is what I want. You need like the router state or whatever. Yeah, don't give up. It is a bit discouraging at times, 100%. Router. You need to yes. Yes. This is what I'm looking for. Okay, in the constructor, we inject the router. Pretty sure. Then we do router dot navigate dependency injection for the win /home. This is gonna take me a while. I might even rewatch the lectures on that. All right, I'm gonna end a little early again, I think. This is done. Oh, sorry, I'm on the Trello board. I need to get better at this. I kind of want to get a stream deck because the numpad thing is kind of annoying, but it works. No, frick, don't. Okay. This doesn't need discussion. Okay. Cool. Yeah, they show some content. Brilliant. I absolutely love it. This is going well. Okay. We'll wait on the header, but we'll work on the nav bar Wednesday maybe. Yeah, I think these will be Wednesdays. This is a spike, right? Yeah. These will be Wednesday's tasks. That's pretty dope though. I feel good about this. I don't know how the loading component would work. I guess you wait for content. Actually, I do know how it should work. Frick, there's a lecture about that. I think the idea is that you okay, yeah, never mind, that jogs my memory. See, boom, of course, there you go. All right. This is awesome. This is freaking awesome. Git checkout dash B. What is my scheme here? Oh, right, I didn't show this. Login page, boom. But like routing, like there's nothing on the surface here really, but hey, I'll take it. Let's go back to here. So you get something to look at. Repository, TwitLess. My icon in 3D, that'd be so cool. Like my profile picture? Or the Forg thing on the bottom. Forg in 3D would be dope. Contributing. Yeah, but there's no like set up routing home. Oh, this does exist. Cool. Okay. Well, it's 24. All right. Ready for this? Git. Wait, no. 24. Yo. 24. Okay. And then come back to our little VS Code here. 20 sprint. What is this? 4/24 routing. You know, I don't know if Akram, you're still here, but another thing about tutorial hell is just find things that are fun. I mean, like this is, I guess it's more or less a fun project, but you know, go out and make 3D models of Pokemon. Like something fun where failure doesn't really have much impact on you. Like for drawing, I'm trying to draw more real stuff, but that's not fun. Just try to have fun with it. At the end of the day, that's what you want, right? Let's go make a pull request. Added routing, not to main, to develop. Hey, Jaden. Welcome to the stream. You've just reached the tail end of it, where my accomplishments include a temporary navbar, which I need to take a screenshot of real quick, and routing, so that when you click on something, it like forwards you somewhere. Yay, cool, love it. So cool. Let's create a PR. Awesome, and then merge. Before I forget, git checkout develop, and git pull. Hey RT, what's up? I broke it. I broke everything. Oh no! What? What did I do? Sprint 4 24 routing. You're amazed by the number of files that I have in VS Code. It's not all that. I mean, with this framework that I'm using right now, oh frick, I have to rename this. Okay, I'll do that in a bit. Okay, no, we're good. Jeez Louise. I just shouldn't have done that when I was, okay. For Angular, every single component is 4 files. Like, make a component, you get 4 files. Actually, I don't need any of the test things. But whatever. Let's see if there's an easy way to, how to easily rename component. I'm gonna wrap up stream in about 5 or so minutes. Okay, there's no easy way to do this. So, TwitLess navbar component. Oh, what? What is experimental support for decorators is a feature that is subject to change. Oh, okay. It's just, VS Code is just having a day. It's fine. I think. Well, that'll be it. I'll be back on Wednesday. Thank you for those who stopped by. Appreciate you. This is the homepage of the app. This is the Trello board. Next time, I think my immediate goal is gonna just be getting this little pop-up form open, but also the navbar component to work, which will involve getting active links and whatever, but that should be fun. A little design work. Yeah, so have a good one, everybody, and hopefully I'll see you on Wednesday. Peace.